Continue our ongoing series answering your questions about COVID-19. Fox 12's Simon Gutierrez is live in Northeast Portland with our latest installment. And this time, Simon, we're talking about testing.
Yeah, we've heard that most areas have an adequate supply now of tests available, but there's still some question of who gets tested and where.
Tori in Portland asks, is testing available to everyone, and how often do you get tested?
In general, we don't recommend that people without symptoms get tested. But if you have any fever or cough or shortness of breath, you should absolutely contact your healthcare provider and find out about getting tested. If you've been exposed to somebody, we recommend that you stay home for 14 days and monitor yourself for symptoms. So you're going to need your provider to order the test. There are some places that, have a provider who's basically ordered it for all comers, so you can look for testing places like that if you're interested. But we are mostly concerned with testing people who have symptoms.
Will there be a time when testing of people who don't have symptoms makes sense?
Well, I think there are certain occasions. For example, we're going to embark on a program to test everybody in long-term care facilities. We know that a single case in one of those facilities can, first of all, spread, and secondly, take a lot of lives because these are really highly vulnerable populations. And so we're very eager to identify even people without symptoms in those settings, whether it be staff or residents.
Also, Simon, how can people find out where to get tested?
Yeah, the health authority recommends going through your primary care provider if you can, but there is also free testing available at the East County Health Center, or you can call 211 and find a testing location near you. We do have more questions to get to tonight. Coming up at 5, we take up the issue of youth sports and what's going on with that. We'll see you then.